Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Tofik. I am here to introduce you a new language called Jatcric. This is a new language. I created the language and 4 months ago. Just now I started to improve it. Jatcric language can help you in several public places. This is also one of the easiest languages. If you learn the basics of the language, it will be easy for you. The basics of the language is also easy. You can learn it within 4 to 20 days. After learning the language, you can speak to others and teach them. It will be helpful when speaking a secret message. The language contains 28 letters, 50 numbers, and 73 signs or symbols. The character are 110 but 48 is enough for you. I think the Jatcric introduction is enough. I hope the video will be helpful for you. You will learn the language by upcoming videos. Thank you and bye.